Tara, an Indian TV series that was aired on Zee TV in the year 1993. It was directed by Raman Kumar. The story of a woman named Tara and her three friends. So let's check out how the star cast of this Indian first daily soap opera have changed in these years. Navneet Nishan as Tara. Then she was 28, now her age is 60. Ratna Pathak as Kanchan. Then her age was 36 and now she is 69. Amita as Sheena. Then her age was 22 and now her age is 54. Neha as Arzu. Then her age was 23 and now she is 55. Raja Bundela as Rohit. Then he was 40 and now his age is 72. Alok Nath as Deepak Seth. Then his age was 37 and now he is 69. Grusha Kapoor as Devyani. Then she was 17 and now her age is 49. Rakesh Bedi as Danny. Then he was 39 and now his age is 71. Bharat Kapoor as Ashok Sehgal. Then his age was 53 and now he is 86. Deven Bhojani as Petha. Then he was 25 and now his age is 56. Sushmita Mukherjee as Anita. Then she was 29 and now her age is 61. Ram Mohan as Bade Papa. Then his age was 64. Died in 2015 at the age of 86. Harsh Chhaya as Jijo. Then he was 27 and now his age is 59. Avtar Gill as Mr. Rana. Then he was 43 and now his age is 75. Imran Khan as Popo. Then his age was 18 and now his age is 50. Deepraj Rana as Prithvi. Then his age was 27 and now he is 59. Bhushan Jeevan as Bobby. Then he was 43, died in 1997 at the age of 47. Rana Jang Bahadur as Inspector. Then he was 41 and now his age is 73. Shefali as Mala. Then her age was 20 and now she is 52. Kenneth Desai as Vinod. Then his age was 30 and now he is 62. Sunil Sinha as Karan. Then he was 31 and now his age is 62. Girish as Nikhil. Then he was 23 and now his age is 55.